Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students that needs to improve your math skill. Alright, so we have a problem on the board of number base. It says if 210x base what 4 is equals to 146 base 10, find the value of x. So the idea in this question is you want to convert this to base 10 or you want to convert this to base 4. Either way will give you the solution. So, but I think let's convert this to base 4 will be much easier. So we have 146. We are going to divide this by 4 because we want to convert this to base 4. So 4 into 14 is 3 times, which is 12. Okay, so we have 14 minus the 12 is going to give us 2. So I have this as 26. Okay, so 4 into 26 is going to give us how many times? We have 6 times, okay, because 4 times 6 is 24. So what remains? We have 2 because 26, okay, minus 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. For subtract this is 2, and that's the remainder. So I haven't gotten that we can now still convert it further. So 4 into 36 is going to give us 9 times. Remember what? We have 0. Now we can still go one more time. So 4 into 9 is going to give us what? We have is 2 times, which is 8. Remember what? Okay, we have 8, remainder 1. And finally 4 goes into 2. We have 0, remainder we have 2. So all we need to do is we are going to go up. So 2102. So we have 2102. This is what 4. Now if you compare this and this, you can see that our x is what 2. That is situated at the last position. So the value of x in this problem is equals to 2. So that gives us the solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to somebody that it may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.